today? Okay. See, to install Python, simply search for download Python. Go here. Download the latest version for Windows. For Windows. Okay. If you are having different network, different OS, here it is present, Linux, Mac, and others. You can go through that. I hope everyone is having Windows. Yes? Yes. You can click this download button. It is going to download the latest one. Or you can go with the specific releases. Okay. If you want to install specific releases, install above 3.6. Don't go for 3.6 also. Go for 3.9. Every company is using now 3.9. They already converted. Major changes are present. Anyone 3.9, any version above 3.9. Above 3.9. Any version is fine. Okay. But I don't want anything. I just want to install the latest version. Go for this. Click this. It is going to download. Once it download, hit this. Install now. Customize installation. Okay. Here two checkboxes are going to be present. Let me. Install now is there, right? And customize installation. Always click for install now. Here, two checkboxes are going to be present. You need to check out these two checkboxes. Use admin privileges and also add python.ext to file. Both you need to check it. Okay, check. Yeah. Next, finally, this is not going to come for everyone, but if it is asking to disable the path length limit, accept it. Okay. Once it is done, Python installation is done. So then immediately what you need to do is once Python installation is done, go to the command prompt and search for Python version. Python hyphen version or Python hyphen uppercase V. It is going to give you Python version. Now install. Now while installing, here I'm sharing one. I'm going to share this pictures also. See, Windows is automatically going to take the location. Don't try to change the location. Don't try to change the location. Here install now is there. Just click that. Don't go for customize installation. Don't change the paths. Don't change the paths. Okay. Now type where Python. It is going to give you where exactly it has been installed. Okay. Once it is done, type Python, hit enter. Now, if you observe here, three arrows you're seeing. Now you can write the code here. This is a learning environment. Learning environment is not required. Come here, search for Python. Now, when you search for Python, Python 64-bit, module, manuals, docs, everything is present here. If you observe, IDLE is going to be present. If I click this, again, you are seeing these three arrows. Again, this is a learning environment. This is a learning environment. We should not use this. Why learning environment we should not use? Folder structure we can't maintain. Folder structure we can't maintain. A lot of drawbacks are there. For this reason, we are going with the IDEs. We are going with the IDEs, integrated development environment. Yeah. So we are going to have lot of IDEs are going to be available for Python. It's a platform where you can write your code, maintain the folder structure. Everything is going to be present. If you already familiar with any one IDE, be familiar with that. Any one IDE, be familiar with that. If you are already using any IDE, your choice. Okay, choice is yours. But if you ask me, if you are new to this field, I will suggest PyCharm. I will suggest PyCharm. You can use PyCharm. You can use Visual Studio VS Code. You can use Eclipse. Few people are using Spider. Few people are using. Yeah, and Jupyter notebooks. Few people are using. Okay. My suggestion is take anything, but you should be comfortable in that one. Okay. If you are new, my suggestion is going to be the PyCharm. Okay. PyCharm is like user friendly Android phone, easy to use, right? Yes, this is also like that. Go search for download PyCharm. PyCharm download. Yeah, just click this. Now here PyCharm professional download is there, right? Don't click this. Okay, this is a professional version. It's telling that free 30-day trial. After that, you need to pay the amount. If you are filthy rich also, if you are super rich also, don't buy this. The reason behind this is if you get this, you are not going to learn because it will, when you are writing the code only, it is going to complete the code. If it is completing the code, you are never going to learn. Understood? Marketing. See, this is Windows, Max, Linux is present. All these professional version, he kept it in bright. Now this is in dark. Here download is there. Click this. It is going to get downloaded. Once it is downloaded, steps to follow. Free for 7 days. Huh? Where is that? Code faster with AI assistant in PyCharm. That's what I'm telling. Don't use that. Okay. Go for community edition. Don't go for professional edition. When you click that after downloading, when you click that, it's downloaded, right? Next. See, it is already installed with me. So it is telling that I just want to uninstall the previous. I don't want to do that. So I'm canceling this. If you are installing for the first time, first it is going to ask this installation options. If you observe this, everything is checked. Do this. Okay. Few things you can ignore, but again, people will get confused whether I need to check this one or whether I need to ignore this one. People are asking again. Instead of that, check everyone. You're not going to lose anything. Okay. Next, click install. Immediately click install. And again, don't choose any location. Don't change the location where it is going to install. Okay. After this, it is also going to ask for reboot now. If it is asking, reboot it. Once it is done, it is going to get installed. Once it is installed, what you need to do, how to maintain the folder structure. Today, I'm going to show it. Today, you need to maintain as it is. As it is. Okay. Okay. I'll delete this. Create one folder. Keep it as Python underscore learnings. Don't give any spaces or anything. Always use underscores. Python learnings. Show more options. Open folder as PyCharm Community Edition project. If you check that boxes, it is going to give you. If you're not checking all those boxes, it is not going to give it to you. Open it. Always it is asking why, because I already opened one PyCharm. So new window I'm going to open. It is also by default, it is going to take Python is installed at somewhere, right? Yes. So by default, it is going to point to there. See, if you are missing add to the path or somewhere, we need to manually enter the system variables. You need to go to the settings. You need to enter the paths in system variables. Okay. So just follow as it is. When you follow as it is, automatically it is going to take. PyCharm doesn't know where it has been installed, right? Python. PyCharm will automatically get to know when you use the default ones. Okay. So once you create this, new package, new package. Today is first topic, right? Underscore 01 Python introduction. Okay. Forget about this unit. Let it be. We will talk about this later. Now let's see if you're practicing something. Give your proper names. Again, one. Let's say you're practicing on input function. Input practice. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to talk about variables. Again, create a package 02 variables. Okay. After that, we are going to discuss about operators. When we are writing this, tracking is going to be easy. Yes. Backtracking, when you want to recall anything, it is going to be easy, right? Yes. For this reason, you need to maintain the folder structure in this way. If you are writing, practicing anything, again, 01. Again, maintaining a files, .py files, right? Again, you need to give a names for that one. Here, you need to go to new and then Python file, and then you need to write. Let's say I'm practicing something else. Int, float, conversions. Okay. Now, when I come to Python introduction, now I will get to know in this file what I have practiced, in this file what I have practiced. Yes, backtracking is going to be easy. I am telling you. After 10 days, when you start working on this coding task, if you are not maintaining this folder structure, it is going to be very difficult for you. Where you have wrote the code, you are going to forget. In real time also, when you're working on the projects, you need to maintain the folder structure. Names are going to be going to play a very important role. Okay, maintain like this the folder structure. Everyone. Now we are maintaining the folder structure and file structure properly. In learning environment, we can do that. And here, let's say here I can directly run this. Yes, or terminal. Here, if you observe here, PS means PowerShell, not Python shell, PowerShell. CMD is there, right? PS. PS means PowerShell. From here also I can execute the code. I simply need to write Python underscore 01 input.py. When I run this, hello world has been printed. The same terminal I'm getting here also. Yes, means I need to enter here cd 01 and then Python 0, sorry. Again, I got hello world. Terminal is here present. From UI also, I can run it. Yes, benefits. And again, here also we are getting the